Frustrated by the WinCore RTL Support DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. To kick off the manual repair for WinCore RTL support, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the WinCore RTL support, the runtime library RTL, support API Set Shim. It redirects localized system execution routines, such as unhandled localized exception handling and localized runtime support, to the core Windows executive layer, essential for 64-bit application localized stability. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. The WinCore RTL Support DLL library is bundled specifically for runtime library support operations, and you must run the official setup for the program encountering the error to repair the broken links and restore the missing data. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including WinCore RTL support, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for WinCore RTL Support DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the WinCore RTL support environment. If we successfully synchronized the missing library for WinCore RTL support today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support